Can you make me the number 124?
Alright.
How many... Oops, fix that. There we go. How many tens have you got?
I have got 2.
How many ones have you got?
I've got 4.
And how many hundreds have you got?
1.
Can you add 4 tens, please? Can you pick up 4 tens and add them on?
$164.
Can you take 21 away, please? 21. What are you taking off there?
21.
What are you taking off?
21.
It's made of 2 tens and a 1, yeah? What have you got now? What's your new number?
Now I've got 143.
And which one of those digits stayed the same?
It was
Stayed the
100.
same. That's right. No hundreds were added or subtracted, were they?
Yeah, they weren't.